Hi everyone, this is Christian with Universal Retail Systems with another video on the SAP-630. This video will cover the basics of the SAP-630. Before we start, you will need paper for your register and keys, both of which are included with your register. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. First, let's look at the register. At the rear of the register, there will be some ports. We will only worry about the internet and USB port. These machines need to be plugged in and cannot connect via Wi-Fi. Connect your Ethernet cable to the LAN port and connect your scanner to the USB port. Let's move on to the printer. Lift the plastic cover to reveal the receipt printer. If your printer is empty, please insert the paper now. Look for the yellow latch and pull it towards the front of the register. The printer will now open up. Place the paper and make sure that the paper feeds under and outward towards you. Hold a piece of the paper and close the printer by pressing down until you hear or feel a click. Now feed the paper through the slot of the printer cover and close the lid on the register. You can always change the paper at any time. Locate the power cable and plug it in. Next to the power cable, you will see a button. This is the power button. Press it and your machine will start up. The display will power on and automatically open SAM4 POS. Do not touch the screen until you are in the sign-in screen. Once you are at the login screen, using the touchscreen, enter 1, then press enter to sign in for the first time. At this moment, your screen will go dark. Grab the access keys and look for the one with the P. This key will give us access all the way to the PGM slot. Please use this key only for yourself, the owner of the machine. There are no free replacements for lost keys, so be sure to keep them safe. Turning the key to the reg position will set the register to register mode. This will be how you make sales and transactions. You can also remove the key in this position. Next is the X position. This mode allows for reports to be taken out. After that is the Z position. This is for the end of day report. GM position will be program mode. This will be the mode that allows users to edit key data that your store uses. This will be the most used mode in all of our videos. For now, let's return to register mode. Looking to the top right, we will see a door with text that says sign out under it. This is a sign out button. Press it to return to the login screen. To the left of that is Ethernet connected. This will tell us if your register is properly connected and on the network. To the left of that is your license information. This tells you key data about your license. To the left of that is the print on and off. By pressing it, you can enable or disable the receipt printer. Finally, to turn off the machine, press on the bright button on the right side. This will bring up a prompt asking to power off the machine. Press power off and the machine will power off.